Good morning, Page Board. This is Team Metro Minds. We have chosen a problem statement of open innovation. We have developed a solution for urban transportation, especially for the metro travelers. In India, there are total people traveling in the metro around 12 million people, and daily 1 to 2 billion people are dropping out from not choosing the metro because of lack of internet, not knowing the shortest path, waiting for the ticket queues and the parking area, and not knowing which transportation is easy and safely to reach destination. So we have come up with a solution, and this is our application interface. These are the different features in our application: ticket booking, smart parking, smart card, virtual card, route optimization, live arrivals, station navigation, post-station transportation, offline ticket generation, feedback and support, lost and found, accessibility for the elder peoples and the disabled peoples, volunteer program for the students and the normal passengers who are traveling in the metro, and the voice assistant for assisting, and the food stalls for ordering the foods, and the chatbot to assist through the text, and this is a voice assistant in 4 different languages: Telugu, Hindi, English and Urdu. Let's check our main features. The route optimization, where user can select his source and the destination. We can find the best route. The user has to enter into the red line at Mayapur and get down at the Amirpet in the red line, and he has to change the line to the blue and reach the destination. We can also find out the route by the distance and by the shortest time. 2 different route optimizations. In route optimization, we also add the intermediate station. If the user wants to go from A to B and B to C, the total station have to travel 36 stations from A to B, from source station to intermediate station. This is a route, and from intermediate station to destination station, this is a route. In between, he can meet his friends, have the relatives, and he can also book the generation. The journey we have booked from source to destination, and it can ask us the date, the time, the number of passengers are traveling. It will increase the amount according to the number of passengers. If you need parking, you can also add parking. At which station you need parking, 2-wheeler or 4-wheeler. We have selected the Chikatpalli station for the parking. The parking is reserved and our slot is booked. If you need post-station transportation, after getting down the destination, if you need any transportation from destination station to our home or office, you can book a Uber, Ola, Rapido, cabs or bikes. You can also book this post-station transportation at source or deposit or at both stations. You can also check that the metro rail is arriving in how many minutes. Is it approaching on time, or it can take at least 10 minutes or 5 minutes. These are all in the one page where the user can book the ticket. The user no need to go to the another page or redirect to the another page. We all integrated all our main important features into the ticket booking only. The user can pay the money from the wallet and book the ticket. This is a ticket for traveling in the metro, and this is a parking ID for the parking in the vehicle of the user. This is a date and time, and this is the ticket details. We can also download this ticket. If you want to access the parking separately, we can have the separate page for parking. We can enter the source and destination and the vehicle, which type of vehicle it is, and we can book the slot. The smart card, where we have to carry the physical card while we are traveling in the metro. If you no need to carry any physical card, we are coming up with the solution, the virtual card. The virtual card is type of a smart card where we can connect our virtual card with our mobile or any smart devices like smartwatch. Through the NFC, we can just tap and go. No need to carry any physical cards. This is a route optimization. This is a live arrivals. We can check that the metro train is entering into the station. Is it taking delay or approaching, or it is coming on time? We can check that is the train is reaching the station on time or not, and we can, in between, we can manage our time. This is station navigation. There is indoor station navigation. We can check that where the gate A, gate B, and ticket counter 2, men's washroom. It can show, it can redirect everything from the place we are locating to the place we want to go. Like if you want to go to the men's washroom, you can check on that. If you want to go to the ticket counter, you can click on the ticket counter. It can show, and you can redirect to the place where the ticket counter is present. This is post-station transportation, where after getting down at the destination, we can book our rides. We can book the local buses, local trains as a map, where we have, and autos. We can book the autos, cabs and bikes. We can book the cab. It redirects to the Uber, where we can book the over the destination area. Or Ola, this is offline ticket generation, where you can book the ticket when you are not able to access the internet to your mobile. The mobile we are carrying is not accessible to the internet, but we can book the ticket. We can book the ticket from selecting the source and destination. The money is present in our wallet, where in the Metro wallet, after connecting to the internet, the money is debited from our wallet. This ticket, this offline ticketer, is come from the cache memory. The cache memory consists of the user ID in the QR, and the user ID will retrieve all the information about the user and check the wallet amount is greater than or equals to the present fare amount. Example, the fare amount is 10 rupees. The wallet amount is about 10 rupees. The user can travel in the metro or else he can reject over there. After connecting to the internet, the fare money will be debited from the wallet. And especially in the urban transportation, we have different transportations like local trains, buses, metros, cabs, everything. And we have different cards for each and everything. We want to integrate a system, one card for all travel. While we are entering to the local bus, we can just tap the card. It can detect the destination source where we are entered, and after coming to the destination, we can also tap over there. It can calculate the distance you have traveled and debit the amount from the wallet. This is a very useful thing of having one card. Because of one card, you don't need to have multiple cards for multiple transportations, and it is also useful for the economically and the environmental safe. Thank you.